Well, as we reported on Monday, a memorandum recently released by federal prosecutors says former county executive Jack Johnson planned to continue lining his pockets after he left office. The memo says Johnson steered millions of dollars in federal funds to developers in exchange for bribes. And at the same time he was working to get consulting work with the Dimensions hospital system, he was arranging a deal with a company that manages county funds. County Executive Rushern says his administration is now trying to determine which firm was involved.
When I got into the job, what we said was we were going to investigate and look at every department and take our time putting people in charge of directors and things of that nature. And we did that. We wanted to make sure that anybody that could be implicated, that we let them go. So I think we set a great foundation in the administration. As far as Dimensions concerned, my staff and I read through the sentencing document. We looked at those, and what we said is we're going to look at every contract that had anything to do with Dimensions or the hospital and make sure that anybody who's working for this administration, if they violate the law, that we take every step so legally we can.
Do you foresee any repercussions with people?
Well, we won't know until we finish our investigation. That's what we're doing. We just saw the sentencing document the same time everybody else did. I understand Dimensions has taken a step in terms of their CEO there, and so. But we're going to look throughout the county. What I've said is that people will know what type of government we're running. We're going to be transparent, and I think we have been.
The memo also states that Johnson's son, Bruce, was hired by the Prince George's Health Department just before his father left office in clear violation of county rules. The former county executive also planned to use federal housing funds to build a senior center and then bid on a county contract to offer senior services. In a recorded call, a county official agreed to help.